A man who police say planned to kill Supreme Court Justice Brett Kavanaugh is charged with attempted murder this morning. The 26-year-old suspect was arrested near Kavanaugh's home in Maryland early yesterday morning. He had traveled there from California, where he lives. Police say he was carrying a case full of potential tools for an attack. Jan Crawford is outside the Supreme Court. Jan, so what else do we know about the suspect?
Well, Vlad, the suspect's name is Nicholas John Roski, and according to court documents, he believed that killing Justice Kavanaugh would give his life a purpose. We're also hearing from his family members who say they never imagined that he could be involved in something like this.
FBI, search warrant!
Last night, FBI agents raided the California home of the man accused of attempting to kill Justice Brett Kavanaugh. Word spread quickly of the plot.
Shocked that it was right here. And a nice family, good neighbors.
According to an FBI affidavit, Nicholas Roski got out of a taxi outside Kavanaugh's home just after 1 a.m. Wednesday. Roughly 10 minutes later, police say they got a 911 call. According to the affidavit, Roski was turning himself in, expressing that he had come from California to kill a Supreme Court justice, had a firearm in his suitcase, and was having suicidal thoughts. Law enforcement arrested him around 1:50 a.m., recovering a Glock 17 pistol, ammunition, pepper spray, and other supplies. Roski allegedly told a detective he was upset about the leaked Supreme Court draft decision that would overturn Roe v. Wade.
Pro-life is a lie!
The leaked opinion sparked protests outside conservative justices' homes, as well as the Supreme Court.
This is exactly the kind of event that many feared.
Republicans and Democrats alike Wednesday renewed the call for legislation that would offer increased security to federal justices and their family members. The Senate unanimously passed such a bill last month, but it stalled in the House.
We shouldn't have to give up our lives to do our job.
U.S. District Judge Esther Salas was the target of an attack 2 years ago. A disgruntled lawyer for a former plaintiff came to her home in New Jersey, where he shot and killed her son. As for Roski, CBS News met his grandfather outside their home in California. He seemed shocked by the news.
Would you ever consider him someone who might be, implicated in threatening a Supreme Court justice?
No, absolutely not.
Now, Roski also allegedly expressed concerns that Justice Kavanaugh could roll back gun regulations. If he is convicted, he faces up to 20 years in federal prison. And here at the Supreme Court, the building and the justices remain under heightened security as the country awaits that final decision on abortion rights, which is expected sometime this month. Michelle?
Jan, this sounds ominously like that John Gresham book and film, The Pelican Brief. First thing that went through my mind. Thank you so much for your coverage.